Hello, my name is Brianna Rodriguez. It is March 31st of 2019, and today I will be doing the overview of the skeletal system and talking about the 4 different types of bone shapes in our body. The first bone shape that I'd like to talk about is flat bones. One flat bone in particular is up here in the skull. Right here is the frontal. And another flat bone is right down here in the thoracic, which is the sternum. These flat bones have flattened-like structures, and they help by protecting most of your internal organs, such as the brain found in the skull and the heart and lungs found behind the sternum, along with ribs themselves. Next shape of bone I would like to talk about are long bones. These long bones are usually found in the limbs and extremities. One bone is in the lower limb, which is the femur. And another bone are also the phalanges. They're smaller, but still have elongated-like structures. And phalanges are also found in the foot. And the function of the long bones are usually for weight bearing and support of all weight and movement, which also helps out the muscles. And the next shape of bone I'd like to talk about are the short bones. These short bones are nor long or small. They're more of a squared-like shape or cube-like shaped, and these are usually found in the wrists and the ankles. For example, here in the carpals. And also down here in the lower limbs and the tarsals. And these bones help with balance and some of the movements that the muscles provide. And the next shape I'd like to talk about are irregular bones. These bones do not really fit into any certain category that I mentioned earlier, so they have their own. These are very different kind of shapes, and one of them is found in the vertebrae, which comes from the skull all the way down to the sacrum. And then another one of the irregular bones is the sacrum itself. And the functions of these 2 types of irregular bones is that the vertebrae protects its internal organs, which is the spinal cord, and the sacrum, along with the irregular bones of the pelvis, help protect the pelvis cavity. And that concludes my overview of the skeletal system for this week's 4 lab video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you.